my god, I did it! I'm in heaven! Oh god, you scared me. This isn't heaven. Oh, what do you mean? I'm Christian. I thought I would go straight to heaven. No, this is where we look at your life and see if you deserve to go to heaven. Oh, well, I'm sure I'm gonna pass with flying colors. I am Christian. Yeah, okay. Didn't you kick your 16-year-old son out of the house because he was gay? Well, of course. Gayness is a sin. Okay. Didn't you spit on that homeless person because he asked for some money? Well, maybe if he believed in God, he wouldn't be poor. I have it here that you yelled at a little girl because she had a hijab on. Well, yes, there's no other religion allowed except Christianity. Is it true that you think that Jesus is white? Well, of course he is. What other color would he be? He was from the Middle East. Help! Help!